My $3 Facebook content monetization earnings not payable. Why is that? Listen, this is an important video and reminder regarding our Facebook Meta content monetization payouts. Okay, this is the date and time of our recording, and we can see here we have two line items for like Anika Family Vlogs. The first one on the top, it shows $10 0.45 status is processing. However, on the lower part, we can see here a $3 not payable. Okay, so this is dated April 30, 2026. We only had our Facebook page like Anika Family Vlogs start the monetization around mid-April 2026. So during those times, the most active source of income is only the content monetization from the extra $1 bonus. Okay, so this is where I got the $3 for the whole month of April. Okay, now what happened here? I'm going to say it's my fault. I received a notification or prompt on our Facebook pages that I need to update the payment or tax information for us to continue receiving our payments from the Facebook content monetization. However, due to constraints on work schedules and taking care of your kids, um, it slipped my mind. Okay, and it so happened that I only was able to update the tax information and the payout details after the deadline set by the notification. So I'm certain that this is the main reason why I wasn't able to. It's showing here that this $3 will no longer be payable. Okay, now the moral of the story is to make sure that you're up to date with your payouts. Okay, the level of attention we give when we produce and upload content, the more we should be concerned. Okay, and always closely monitoring the updates and the status of our Facebook content monetization payouts. Okay, so we will just need to ensure that if there's a notification from Facebook Meta that we need to update something, especially when it comes to payouts and earnings, we will need to prioritize it and update it right away so that we can prevent any issues when it comes to payouts. Okay, so um, thank you so much if you're able to reach this part of the video. If you also experienced the same thing or some related information when it comes to payout, feel free to write down your experiences in our comments. Let's continue the conversation from there, and let's engage, and we might learn meaningful information based on our own experiences here on Facebook Meta content monetization. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for our next videos.